I created ultra-realistic videos, lip-synced on any voice, and made UGC-style ads, all inside one tool. This is Yapper AI, an all-in-one video creation which combines multiple top-tier AI models in one place, so you can make realistic ads, deepfake-style videos, and even full vlogs with just a prompt. So in this video, I'll walk you through exactly how Yapper AI works and give you my honest take on its quality and overall value. You'll find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. First up, image generation. I entered a simple prompt like, create a soft aesthetic product image of a perfume bottle placed on a marble surface with natural daylight, warm tones, and a gentle shadow. Then I selected the model. In this case, Nano Banana Pro then chose my aspect ratio and even picked how many models I wanted to work on the same prompt. Each model gives you a slightly different interpretation, so you get multiple variations instantly. Within a few seconds, the image was ready, and honestly, the execution was pretty solid, with clean lighting, soft shadows, and the overall vibe matched the original prompt well. Now, video generation. I typed a simple prompt like, create a soft aesthetic video of a young woman in natural daylight, speaking calmly to the camera about self-improvement and productivity. Add slow, minimal camera movement, gentle facial expressions, and clear lip sync. Warm colors and a cozy background. Then I used Yapper's prompt assistant, which upgraded it into a fully detailed, high-quality description automatically. After that, I selected the video layout and set the duration. Once everything was in place, I generated the video.
Lately, I've been reminding myself that growth isn't about changing overnight. It's about tiny, consistent choices. Waking up a bit earlier, putting
The
your phone down,
realism,
taking your-
especially the lip sync, was noticeably better than most AI video tools I've tested earlier. And finally, audio generation. You can generate any voiceover directly inside Yapper. Just paste your script or use the prompt assistant if you're stuck, and then choose from hundreds of voices, including custom options, celebrity-style voices, and multiple languages. After selecting a voice, I clicked Generate Audio, and within a couple of minutes, the final voiceover was ready.
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel where I uncover the best in fragrances. Today I'm hyping up a perfume that's pure magic in a bottle. Let's dive in.
From what I tested, the audio sounds surprisingly real, clear, well-paced, and much less robotic than typical AI voices. Now let's move into the features that make Yapper AI especially powerful. UGC-Style Ad creation. Here, you have two ways to do it. Option 1, Pro Image Combining. From the Tools section, I selected Pro Image Combining. I combined an avatar model with a product photo, in my case a perfume bottle, using the Nano Banana image model. Sometimes Yapper rejects certain videos if they don't meet the content policy, so just expect an occasional fallback. But once the image was ready, I clicked to AI Video to turn it into a talking-style UGC clip. For the dialogue, I used the prompt assistant and entered a natural script like this. Yapper generated the full talking product ad.
Okay, so this perfume has been my obsession lately. It starts off fresh and clean, but then settles into this warm, smooth scent that...
And overall, the results were solid. The lip sync was clean, the tone matched the UGC style, and the product stayed in frame. It still depends on the model you choose, but the output was definitely usable. Option 2, the faster method. If you want speed, this is the better approach. Just go to the UGC Ads section and pick any template from already generated videos. These templates come with pre-written prompts, so you only need to adjust the product details, change the tone, or tweak the style. This method is much quicker, and from what I tested, the results were even cleaner because the templates are already optimized for UGC pacing and expressions. Now let's move into one of the most impressive parts of Yapper AI, deep fake style lip syncing and the full editing workflow. First, deep fake lip sync. I went to the lip sync section and selected an avatar. You can pick celebrities, public figures, or any face you want to experiment with. Instead of jumping straight into a final render, I used my generated audio to preview everything. This is extremely useful because you can refine your script, adjust the pacing, or switch the voice before spending credits on the final synced video. Once everything looked right, I generated the final clip.
All right, y'all, let's get after it with a quick roast. My buddy Alex thinks a 5K is a warm-up for sitting on the couch. Man, you're living that 40% life while I'm pushing 100. Get up, lace up, and stop eating pancakes like it's a challenge. Stay hard, Alex.
And the lip sync quality was surprisingly accurate. The expressions matched the tone of the audio. The mouth movements lined up well, and overall, it looked cleaner than most deepfake-style tools at this level. But of course, use this tool responsibly without doing anything unethical or illegal. Next, the timeline editor and clip extension. I opened one of the completed videos and clicked Edit on Timeline. Here you can trim, adjust pacing, and add small visual effects, perfect for tightening up the final output without leaving Yapper. I also tested the Extend Video feature. I added a simple prompt to describe what should happen next, and Yapper generated a smooth continuation of the clip while keeping the visuals and lip sync consistent. The extension blended nicely with the original video, and you wouldn't really notice where the first part ends and the generated extension begins. Finally, let's head over to pricing. Yapper AI doesn't offer a free plan, and the $10 starter plan doesn't give access to video models. The most popular option is the personal plan, priced at $25 per month. This unlocks the advanced features and gives you 3,000 credits, which is enough for regular video creation and UGC-style content. Overall, Yapper AI brings a lot of power into one platform, from realistic video generation to deep-fake lip-syncing, UGC ads, and even turning a single image into a full talking head video. So try out Yapper AI using the discount link in the description, and let me know your feedback in the comments below. And for another helpful AI tutorial, check out this video next.